Sludge is a solid precipitated substance produced by water and sewage treatment processes. Sludge outdoor ball machine installation to do waterproof treatment. If suspension installation is used, there is a gap between the sludge ball press and the bracket. In case of rain or snow, water can seep into the interior along the cracks and cause harm. Therefore, waterproof sealing measures should be taken during the installation of sludge ball press. It is also very important to prevent rain from entering the ball machine installation bracket from the spiral interface. We recommend the original bracket because the original bracket fully considered the waterproof problem, such as the inclination design to make the ball machine spin slightly higher end, even if the water in the bracket will only flow back to the column but not into the ball machine. Therefore, if users make their own bracket, should fully consider the waterproof factor of sludge ball press.